Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic exponential equations. This is the part 5. Last 4 part we already completed A to Q. This video we will start from R. Let's start. Number R. 2 to the power A equals to 0.125. So we have to make this one same base. So it means 2 to the power A and this 0.125 we can write 125 divide. For this point we can write 1 and after point here is 3 number. So 0 0 0. Now 2 to the power A equals to, we can write 1 by 8. How? Because here 1, and once we divide 1000 by 125 it will become 8. So here is 1 by 8 till we are not getting same base. So here is 2 to the power A equals to 1 divided this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Now look, 2 to the power A equals to 2 to the power minus 3. How? We know 1 divided a to the power n equals to a to the power minus n, right? It's a negative exponent. Look, here is 2 and here is 2, same base. Therefore we can write a equals to minus 3 and this is our answer. So number are done. Please note that 1 2 3 4, these 4 part we already complete A to Q, and this is the number 5, part number 5, and this is the last part of this chapter, which is exponential equations. Now number S. Number S, 10 to the power x equals to 0.001. This one we can write like this: 10 to the power x equals to 1 divided 1000. 10 to the power x equals to 1 divided this 1000 we can write 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power x equals to, as per negative exponent we can write 10 to the power minus 3. So x equals to, this one also same, minus 3. Okay, number S done. Now number T. 2 to the power x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 1. So this one here is 2 to the power x square minus 2x minus 3. This one also we need similar base. So we know a to the power 0 mean 1. So 2 to the power 0 mean same 1. So now base are same, we can write x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So we will factorize this one. So we can write x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so we have a mark this one. Now look, we can take common x, so x minus 3 plus 1 common x minus 3 equals to 0. Here we can take common x minus 3, so here is x plus 1 equals to 0. Now either x minus 3 equals to 0, it means x equals to 3, or we can write x plus 1 equals to 0 or x equals to minus 1. So we have two answers. which is x equals to -1 or 3. Okay, this is our answer. So number T done. We have till 2 math U and V. Let's start. Number U, 8 to the power x minus 1 divide 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 8.2 to the power x plus 9. So 8 to the power x, we can write 2 to the power 3 to the power x minus 1, and here 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 8 point or times 2 to the power x plus 9. But look, here is 2 to the power x, here is 2 to the power x, so this fraction we can write 2 to the power x to the power 3 minus 1 divide 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 8 times 2 to the power x plus 9. We know a to the power b to the power c. We can write a to the power b times c, or we can write a to the power c to the power b. So we have to know this kinds of law of exponent. Now let 2 to the power x equals to a, right? So this is a cube minus 1, here is a minus 1, here is 8a plus 9. Then for factorization, we know a cube minus b cube, it means a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. We know this one. So a cube and 1 cube means 1. So this one we can write a minus b, it means a minus 1, then a square minus then plus ab. AB means a times 1, it means a, then b cube means 1 cube, sorry, b square means 1 square, it's a 1, and here is a minus 1 equals to 8a plus 9. So look, this one and this one we can out, so a square plus a plus 1, and here minus 8a minus 9 equals to 0. Now here is a square minus 8a plus a, it means minus 7a. Here is minus 9 and here is plus 1, it means minus 8, and equals to 0. So a square minus 8a plus a minus 8 equals to 0. How this one? 8 means 7 times 8 times 1 means 8, and minus 8 plus 1 means minus 7. So we can take common a, so a minus 8 plus, here we can take common 1, again a minus 8 equals to 0. So a minus 8 and a plus 1 equals to 0. So either a minus 8 equals to 0, it means a equals to 8. It also means a means what? A means 2 to the power x. So we can write 2 to the power x equals to 8 means 2 to the power 3. So x equals to 3. Or a plus 1 equals to 0, then a means minus 1. So a means 2 to the power x, and minus, here is 2 to the power 0. So what? X equals to 0, right? So finally, ultimately we can say x equals to 3, right? So number u done, it means number r, number s, number t, number u done, and our final math v. Let's start. Number V, we have to keep concern more, because here is a complex thing, like this 27 to the power x minus 1 divide 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to minus 8 by 9. So this one we need to make like 27 to the power x, we can write 3 to the power x to the power 3 minus 1. How? Because this 27 we can write 3 to the power 3, and 27x means 3 to the power 3 to the power x. So this one we can write 3 to the power x to the power 3. And here 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to minus 8 divide 9. Now look, this one we will factorize. So we can write, we know a cube minus b cube, it means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So similar, if we consider 3 to the power x is a, it means a cube, and 1 is a b. 1 cube means 1. So this one we can write 3 to the power x minus 1. Then as per formula a square means 3 to the power x whole square. Then plus ab, a means 3 to the power x, b is a 1, plus b square means 1 square, and denominator 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1, and here equals to minus 8 divide 9. Now look, here is 3 to the power x minus 1, and here is 9 to the power x, because we know a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power c to the power b. So 9 to the power x to the power 2, we can write 3 square, it means 9, plus 3x plus 1 divided 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to minus 8 divide 9. Then this one and this one we can out. So here is 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to minus 8 divide 9. Then 3 to the power x equals to minus 8 divide 9, and this minus 1 become plus 1, right? Then 3 to the power x equals to, we can take LCM, so 9 minus 8. Then 3 to the power x equals to 9 minus 8, it means 1 divided 9. 9 means what? 3 square. So 3 to the power x, and as per negative exponent we can write 3 to the power minus 2. So 1 divided a to the power n equals to a to the power minus n. Look, the base are same, so power will be equal, x equals to minus 2, and this is our answer. And long time you are being with me. For exponential equations we are solving the variable, so by 5 part we try to complete A to V. We will continue about exponential equation, but not this exercise. We will do different things. If you think these videos are helping you, please comments me, like me, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.